We will continue area and perimeter of the circle. See question number 7. Find the perimeter of the given figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. Find, which question is this? That is question number 7. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Okay, the figure is given. Okay, this is given you 10. This is what diameter. Diameter means this is half circle now. So look at here. If this is a circle, if you join here, this become a diameter. Diameter is given. The diameter means what? 2r, because this is r, this is r. So 2r equals to 10. R is equal to 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 5 centimeter. Try to understand what is perimeter here. Perimeter means this half circle plus diameter. So you can write perimeter is length of semicircle plus diameter. Length of semicircle plus diameter. Full circle is how much? 2 pi r. The semi means half. That means 2 pi r is full, then half. Semi means by 2. Plus diameter. Diameter means 2r. This 2 to cancel. How much you got? Pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Okay. Then this is 22 by 7 into 5 plus 2 into 5. So 110. 110 by 7 plus 10. 110 plus 70. 110, 17 is 70. So 180 by 7. Okay, next. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6. Question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 centimeter, 1.6 meter. Okay, then if the cost of polishing is, if the cost of polishing is cost of polishing is 15 rupees per meter square. Rupees 15 per meter square. Here told take pi is 3.14. Okay, Look, there is a table, circular table. You want to polish it. This part you want to polish. Polish with this part. This is your circumference boundary line, but this is called area. That means you should find out the area of this table. Find area of the table multiplied by 50 rupees. So what is radius? Diameter is given 1.6. 2 or 1.6 meter. So R is equal to 1.6 by 2 meter to 0.8. 2 will not go to 1, 0, 16. 2 8s are 16. R is equal to 0.8 meter. Then what is area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square, but pi is told you 3.14. R 0.8 into 0.8 in meter square, multiply 3.14.8 2512. First these two you are multiplying. How much will get? After decimal 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Put point here. It became 2.512. Then one more 0.8. These two multiplication, this one. Then again 0.8. So multiply. Again 0.8. Now count the digit. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is 2.0096 meter square. Okay. Cost is told 1 meter square is 15 rupees. So total cost rupees 15 into 2.0096. Multiply 15. Okay, multiplication now, or you can make single digit. 5 6 are 30, 5 9 are 45, 3 48, then 0 3, 5 0, 5 2 are 10, then 1 6 9 0 0 2 0 after decimal 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That is rupees 30.1340. So after rupees, after decimal, paisa digit is 2 digits. So rupees 30.13. Okay. See the next question then. Question number 9 is the homework for you. Question number 10. Question number 9 homework. Question number 9 is homework. Question number 10. 10 is from the circular chord sheet of radius from a circular chord sheet of radius 14 centimeter two circles of radius 3.5. Two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangular length and a rectangular rectangle of length 3 centimeter, and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Find area of the remaining sheet. Find area of the remaining sheet. Okay, so see, there is a circle. This radius is 14. You have removed two circles, 1, 2, and a rectangle removed. This is 3, this is 1. This is 3.5. Two circles you have to remove, one rectangle you have to remove. So what is area of first big circle? Area of bigger circle means this one, pi r square. R is how much? R is 14. Okay, pi means 22 by 7, 14 into 14, 7 2s are. Okay, 22, 28, 616. This is total now. What you have to remove? Two small circles. Area of two smaller circles means 2 into pi r square. One circle is pi r square, so two circles 2 pi r square. Then how much you will get? Here r is equal to 3.5. Put the value. 222 by 7, 3.5 because r square 7.5. Look, 244. Multiply everything here. 44.5. 22. But after decimal one digit put here. So these 3 became 22. Then 3.5. These 3 became 22.0 means 22. Then 3.5. Multiply. After decimal one digit. So this 77. Okay, these two circles they have got. Now you get a rectangle. What is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Area of rectangle. L into B. L means 3 into R. 3 centimeter square. Now from total you have to remove these 3. Then only remaining you will get. So remaining area equals to area of bigger circle minus area of two smaller circle plus rectangle. Bigger circle how much? 616 minus two small circle how much? How much we had got there? 222 by 7, 3.5, 3.5 so 22 into 35 by 10, 77. This was 77 plus 3. Okay. So how much you got? 616 minus 80. These two 80. How much you got? 635 centimeters square. Okay. See another question. Important question. Question number 13 here. Is a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meter wide. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meter wide. Okay. Then the diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. Find the area of the path. Try to understand. First you have a flower bed surrounded by a path. This is your path. Which one? This is your path. This is 4 meter wide. This is 4 meter. Means this is 4 meter. Okay. Diameter is this diameter is given in 66. So path means big circle minus small circle. Okay. Try to understand here. First we go to flower bed. For flower bed, what is 2r is 66. 2r because diameter is 66. So r equals to 66 by 2, 33 meter. Then find out what is area of flower bed. Area of flower bed. This is told you pi r square. Suppose let's keep it pi 33 square. Value will put afterwards. Okay. Then you come. If this is 33, then this is 4. Then area 3. Radius of outer circle. Radius of this circle. This is 33 plus 4. R is 33 plus 4. 37 centimeter. That means this total became 37. That means what is area of bigger circle? Find out. Area of bigger circle, that is pi r square, pi 37 square. Pi will put afterwards. Okay, now area of path equals to area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. Bigger circle how much? Now pi 37 square, smaller pi 33 square. Why I have kept pi? Now pi you can take common. 3 pi common. What is left out? 37 square minus 33 square. Okay? There is a formula. Formula is a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. This is a, this is b. A square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So write this. You will get pi 37 minus 33, 37 plus 33. How much you will get? 5 into 37 minus 33 is 4. 37 plus 33 is 70. So pi 4 into 70, 280. Now put the value of pi. Put the value of pi means 3.14 into 280. So there is a technique. Technique means 10 means bring decimal to one side. That is 31.4. 1 plus decimal is removed towards right. Then multiplied by remaining digit is 28. That means multiply here 314 into 28. Okay, how much you will get? Eight 792, but after decimal one digit, so you will put here. So 879.2 centimeters. Okay, so like this 15, 16, 17 also homework for you. Question number 15, 16, 17 homework. Try to complete. Remaining will do tomorrow.